Okay, I want to give you some tips on your wedding band. You see, I have mine moved over to my first finger. That's because my ring finger is quite red. And the reason being, it doesn't matter if I'm wearing metal or rubber or what it is, when I wash my hands with clean solvents, it gets under my band. And if I don't take it off and get it dried off and everything, it gets cruddy under there and stays that way. And then it irritates my skin, possibly peeling off the first layer. Then I finally figured it out. I removed my band, clean it, wanted it to heal, so I moved it over to the other finger. Boom, done. This is what you can do if your wedding band can come off easily. Not slippery easily, but easily. So think about that, people, when you're looking at your wedding band and it's cutting into your skin and you can't get it off for any reason unless you really try. Take it in and get it sized. Or get one that's proper. So you can take it off instead of losing a few layers of skin. This is one of your maintenance for your jewelry, ladies included.